Hello friends, welcome back to Vidya Corner. In today's video, we are going to talk about BSc Nursing. BSc stands for Bachelor of Science. Friends, as you know, nursing is the most important pillar of medical industry. The job involves taking care of patients from their medication to maintaining patients' records. As you know, nursing required a great deal of patience and hard work. In India, various colleges and universities offer nursing courses at undergraduate and postgraduate level. There are various specializations and courses in nursing which candidates can opt for depending on their interest. BSc Nursing is a degree course, so if you want to pursue a career in nursing, then you have to go for BSc Nursing. The job scope for BSc Nursing is evergreen because the world needs more nurses to assist the doctors to treat patients with care. Proud to say that Indian BSc Nursing degree is widely accepted throughout the globe since this course teaches nursing science along with the essence of humanities. Friends, as on February 2021, total 1,437 private and government BSc Nursing colleges in India. The Indian Nursing Council is a national regulatory body for nurses and nurse education in India. It is an autonomous body under the Government of India, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. There are many registered state-level nursing councils. They are granted autonomous right by the Indian Nursing Council. In this video, we are going to cover eligibility criteria for BSc Nursing, admission process, entrance exams, fees, and top nursing colleges in India. So let's start with eligibility criteria for nursing. Friends, BSc Nursing is a 4-year undergraduate course recognized by Indian Nursing Council. First thing is, student need to complete their 10+2 education in science stream with at least 45% marks in order to pursue this course. Individual must pass physics, chemistry, biology along with English, all the mentioned subjects with aggregate of 45% marks. Minimum age for the admission should be 17 years as on 31st December of the year. Friends, the maximum age and percentage marks is totally depends on the individual institute or college. Next, nursing entrance exams in India. Lot of students ask, is NEET required for BSc Nursing? So as on today, NEET is not required to take admission in BSc Nursing. But BSc Nursing admission process include appearing for an entrance exam which will be conducted by either the state or the university. Entrance exam is not compulsory in all nursing colleges. All the colleges have different admission process. So friends, you need to check admission process in your preferred college. Here is the list of some of the nursing entrance exams conducted in India by various examination authorities. Friends, in top colleges, admission takes place through entrance examinations and a candidate has to secure 50% marks in the exam in order to qualify for admission. Also, the eligibility criteria may vary depending on the college or university you are applying for BSc Nursing. Fee structure for BSc Nursing. Friends, the average BSc Nursing fee is between Rs 8,000 to 1.5 lakh per annum, which may be different based on the universities or colleges standards. Course fees also depends on the other factors like getting admission through entrance exam or management quota. So, you need to check the fee structure of your preferred college individually. Friends, I hope this information will be useful for you, and in my next video I'm going to bring the list of top BSc Nursing colleges in India. So if you like this video, please press the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video and see you soon. Till then, take care of yourself.